Let's make white bean soup together, with butter beans, potatoes, and sour cream. You will need 1 onion, 2 large potatoes, 1 tin of white beans, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of plain flour, 2 tablespoons of sour cream, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 bay leaf, salt and pepper, and a little bit of parsley. Peel the onion. Dice the onion finely. Heat up a pan. Add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add the diced onion. Fry the onion gently until it softens. Add 2 tablespoons of plain flour. Stir the diced onion, coating the onion pieces in flour and butter. Add 1 liter of boiling water. Reduce the heat, cover the pot with a lid, and simmer gently. Peel and dice 2 large potatoes. Add the diced potatoes to the pot. Add a small bay leaf. Add 1 teaspoon of ground mixed peppercorns, or ground black pepper. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Peel 2 cloves of garlic. Put the garlic through a garlic press. And finally, add cooked white beans of your choice. We are using butter beans, but any other white beans will be fine. Make sure that you rinse the beans well before you add them to the soup. Boil the soup for about 15 minutes. While the soup is boiling, prepare the parsley. We will be using the leaves only, and will discard the stems. You can chop the leaves into smaller pieces. After about 15 minutes, check whether the potatoes are cooked well. If not, boil the soup for a little bit longer. And finally, stir in 2 tablespoons of sour cream, before serving the soup. Discard the bay leaf, and serve the soup, with fresh parsley on top.